As shown in the figure, press the right scan key to start tracing after fixing the frame, and the same for the left side. Insert the half-frame tracing holder as shown in the figure. Insert the lens with suction cup to trace the half-frame. After tracing, click the Transfer button. The data is transferred to the host edge, calibrating the program, adjusting the parameter. This interface is used for the parameter setting before lens processing. Display area of the lens parameters. The left and right frames are displayed in actual side. The red outline shows the processing side. Or edge can process the lens of the following materials: resin lens, polycarbonate lens, high reflective index lens, glass lens, fragile lens. Shape selection. Select the edge shape of the lens. Half frame and rim lens, select flat edge. Full frame, select sharp edge. Polishing selection button. Click this button. Select polishing or not polishing. Frame material button. Click this button. Select a material frame or plastic frame of the frame material. Sharpening proportion button. Click this button. Select the repeater sharp edge position. Click on the plus or minus to adjust. The equidistant is 1.525. The default adjustment rate is 33%, total of 20% to 70%. We use moving lens and stationary reading wheels. Lock and unlock button. Click this button. Clamping lens for processing, or unlock to take out the lens. Start button. Click this button. Start grading. After grading starts, this button automatically switches to the emergency stop button. Click the emergency stop button to stop grading. Lens diameter button. Click this button to adjust the diameter of the whole lens before grading. Size correction button. Click this button. Factory default value. Standard size. Sharp edge 0 to 0.3 mm. Flat edge plus or minus 0.1 mm. Size adjustable or proprietary of the lens to be processed. The corrected lens parameters are displayed in the display area. Pupil height key. The pupil height geometric center pupil height and lens edge pupil height. Click the pupil height button can be switched. Click the data box on the right. You can manually enter the pupil height value to be set. At the same time, it is presented synchronously in the parameter display area of spectacle lens. Pupil distance button. Click this button, switch between the total pupil distance and the single pupil distance. Click the corresponding data book on the right. You can manually enter the pupil distance value to be set. Synchronous display in the lens parameter display area. Frame center distance and bridge distance button. Press the button to switch between the frame center distance and bridge distance. Regrading button. Click this button to grade again without a displacement of the sharpening cup. When the size is too big after grading is completed. Positioning mode. Click this button to select geometric center positioning or optical center positioning. Geometric center positioning mode. If the mode may center as the installation center point of the suction cup. Optical center positioning mode. Click this lens optical center as the installation center point of the suction cup. Data transmission button is for the scanned graphic data to the main edge. Left and right lens switch button. Click this button to choose to process the left lens or right lens. Menu button. Click this button. The menu interface will be displayed. Save button. Click this button to store the current lens, shape, and parameters in the display area. Backup file button. Click this button to open and close the stored graphic files in the edge. Interface selection button. Click this button to select the current display interface. You can select the connection mode in 1 and 2, greatly improving work efficiency. The servo motor can work for a long time. The grading speed can reach 1 piece length about every 2 minutes. After a long time of the extensive loss of grading wheels, all the processed length will be bigger. Then every time to grade the length, a fixed parameter is added to the correction value. Manually input the value in the compensation factor of the parameter adjustment page, so you don't have to add a correction value every time. Other buttons cannot be adjusted at will.